everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about Not Your Mother's Way to Grow Leave-In Conditioner. I have loved using this for myself and I use it for my 3 little girls and it is great. It actually works as a detangler also. My girls have really long hair and this has made it so much easier. I just spray it on their wet hair when they get out of the shower and then it's good to go. Comb it through. If I want to dry it, I will. If I just let it air dry, works perfectly too. You can do it however you want that way. It smells really great. I love how it smells and it doesn't weigh my hair down at all. It doesn't make it feel greasy or oily or like there's a lot of product in it. You can not even tell that it's there. This does come in a 6-ounce bottle, so it lasts for quite a bit. It comes out in a fine mist and you really don't have to use a lot to get it covered all over your hair. I usually use it from like here down. I don't spray it directly onto my roots. It is made with Prosopil. Prosopil helps so you don't get breakage. It just makes your hair feel more hydrated and healthy. This has made my hair so much smoother. I wear extensions and it's helped them as well as my natural hair, which gets really frizzy. And this has helped so it doesn't get that frizz. It stays really smooth and really soft. So if you are looking for something like this, maybe you just want to detangle your kids' hair better, maybe you just want to make yours feel a little bit healthier and smoother, I would definitely recommend this, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you.